नाइजीरिया की लेबर पार्टी के सीनियर मेंबर जुल्फा टेमकुक ने वर्ल्ड यूथ फेस्टिवल को तारीख साज इवेंट करार देते हुए कहा है कि नौजवानों का फेस्टिवल दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट है, जिसमें पूरी दुनिया से इस वक्त 25,000 के करीब अफराद शरीक हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि रूस ने नौजवानों को दुनिया के साथ राबते का बहुत बड़ा मौका दिया है और यकीनन नौजवान इस फेस्टिवल से बहुत कुछ हासिल करेंगे। उन्होंने 92 न्यूज से गुफ्तगू करते हुए मजीद क्या कहा, आइए जानते हैं।
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity to speak about the World Youth Festival holding in Sochi. My name is Julfa Timcook. I am a lecturer at the Springfield Research University in Eswatini. I am also a member of the Labour Party in Nigeria, and it is really an honor to be invited to such a wonderful festival that brings together thousands of young people from around the world, leaders of politics, business, and the media. And indeed, I think we have become a part of history, particularly being at this festival, because just at the opening of the festival, Mr. President, Mr. Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin was very clear in declaring the conference open, the festival open, that the future is now. And the future is here. So this festival provides an opportunity for young people to sit together, talk among their peers, to find solutions to the new problems, the emerging problems that will confront the world. In my view, Russia is playing a very, very strategic and important role by bringing together people from developing countries like mine to discuss how to build relations in terms of business on an equal basis. So if before now there was domination and certain parts of the world trying to tell people what to do, Russia is saying, no, we can do business different. We can sit on the table and have a win-win relations. So I would reference my country, Nigeria. Nigeria is very interested in building important business relations with Russia. As we speak in this festival, the Nigerian Minister of Foreign Affairs, even though he belongs to a different political party as mine, but he's here to engage with Sergei Lavrov on the possibility of building atomic stations for energy. Yesterday, the Minister of Youth was here to engage with the young people at this festival. This tells you how important the agenda is for African countries, particularly Nigeria, Eswatini, where I live, and generally I think the mood here is very electric. I can see how excited the young people are, how ready they have been to attend the festival, and in conclusion, I think it's important to also appreciate the Russian government for this initiative. So generally, I'm excited, I'm happy, and I congratulate all the participants who had this unique opportunity to attend this festival. And I encourage all of them as they go back home to their various countries to spread this message, that it is a new world, and together we can find solutions and build a collective future together. I thank you very much.